The 2025 Mazda RX-7 marks the long-awaited return of one of the most iconic names in automotive history. Revered for its lightweight design, responsive handling, and legendary Rotary engine, the RX-7 has held a cult-like status since the last production model rolled off the line in 2002. Now, over 2 decades later, Mazda has finally brought it back, revamped for a new generation, but still true to its roots. At the heart of the new RX-7 is what makes it unmistakably unique: a rotary engine. Mazda has doubled down on its commitment to this unconventional power plant, refining it with modern engineering and hybrid assistance. The new Rotary is a compact twin-rotor setup, supplemented by a mild hybrid system that delivers both efficiency and torque fill for instant throttle response. This combination produces around 350 horsepower, channeled to the rear wheels through a 6-speed manual gearbox, a nod to purists who crave that mechanical connection. An optional automatic transmission is also available, but it's the manual that captures the soul of the RX-7 experience. The car's chassis is built on Mazda's lightweight Skyactiv platform, extensively modified for performance driving. With near-perfect 50-50 weight distribution and a curb weight just under 3,000 pounds, the 2025 RX-7 is agile and quick to respond. It features double wishbone front suspension and a multi-link rear setup, along with adaptive dampers that adjust based on drive mode and road conditions. This means the RX-7 is just as comfortable carving canyon roads as it is cruising down the highway. Design-wise, Mazda has struck a balance between heritage and innovation. The silhouette is unmistakably RX-7, low-slung, sleek, and curvaceous, with a long hood and short rear deck. LED headlights sit low and aggressive, flanking a sculpted front fascia that channels air efficiently around the car. Subtle design cues pay homage to the third-generation FD RX-7, such as the rounded rear fenders and integrated rear spoiler, while new elements like flush door handles and a full-width LED taillight bar push the design firmly into the future. Inside, the RX-7's cabin is all about the driver. A minimalist dashboard features a digital instrument cluster with Rotary-specific readouts like apex seal temperature and boost pressure. The infotainment system, though modern and intuitive, is secondary to the driving experience, with physical controls placed within easy reach. High-bolstered sports seats, wrapped in Alcantara and leather, keep the driver planted during spirited driving, while subtle red stitching and carbon fiber trim add a sense of occasion. Mazda hasn't skimped on technology either. The RX-7 comes with a full suite of driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring. However, all of these systems are calibrated to enhance, not interfere with, the driving dynamics. There's also an optional performance package that adds Brembo brakes, lightweight forged wheels, and a more aggressive aero kit. In terms of performance, early tests suggest the RX-7 can sprint from 0 to 60 mph in just under 4.5 seconds, with a top speed of around 170 mph. But numbers only tell part of the story. The real magic lies in how the car feels, how it communicates with the driver through every corner, every throttle input, and every gear change. It's not just about raw power, it's about balance, precision, and emotion. With the return of the RX-7, Mazda hasn't just revived a legendary nameplate, they've redefined what it means to build a true driver's car in the modern era. It's a bold statement in a time when the automotive world is shifting rapidly toward electrification and autonomy. And yet, in the 2025 RX-7, Mazda proves that driving can still be an art form.